Hello and welcome. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. I am Arif Gilany. Today I wanted to talk to you about the distance from IT, information technology, to AI, artificial intelligence. Over the last 25 years, I have witnessed the rise of technology as we witnessed in the first quarter of this century. Now a new wave of information is coming your way through artificial intelligence, and those of you who familiarize yourself with this new wave will prosper, will live your dreams, and will accomplish whatever you wanted to accomplish in this lifetime. So the opportunity is here. Please stay with me to the end of this video if you like, and there might be some ways for us to collaborate. There's keys to winning in business, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about, because from the day of 2000s that I gave the first speech in DeVry University about GPS, Global Positioning System, to now, information technology has multiplied by thousands. Things that were not possible 25 years ago are possible now. Some of us missed the opportunities that were presented, like the franchising system that happened in North America and globally, like all of the information technology, the 5 major apps that were developed that you're using on daily basis, and how it relates to winning today and from the beginning of time. The winning formula has not changed. Technology has helped us realize our dreams, our goals, and our ambitions much faster. So what is the keys to winning? It's just you got to do it. You got to do whatever it needs to be winning in business. So there are simple fundamentals that I'm going to share with you in this video. To win in business, first and foremost, you need to find a need. You fill that need with a product or a service that is in high demand. But about the need and finding a solution to the people's need, you need a uniqueness about you to get better as time moves on. See, we don't get older, we get wiser if we take this unique approach to life. Also, you need a unique mental toughness. You could be doing 99% of things right, but if you don't have that edge, that mental toughness, you're guaranteed to fail. And I have seen successes and failures over the last quarter century that I summarized in this video for you. When you go to school, they teach you theories. The school teachers and principals have barely enough sense to get themselves out of the rain to be able to create a life that they desire. That is why you're stuck in school. They teach you. If you come from a rich family, you're privileged. If you come from a poor family, you ought to be a truck driver or a janitor or somewhere in the lower class of people. Today, artificial intelligence has changed the way we work and we live. The fourth thing that nobody has ever told you, that there's no test designed to measure the heart of a man or woman who wants to win. And there are keys that you can follow to make sure that you are not a victim of this wave of artificial intelligence that's coming your way, but you are taking advantage of it for yourself, for your family, for your business. I am speaking with a lot of influencers, people who are moving and shaking, like Alf D, who is using artificial intelligence from Germany to help revive his Ghana heritage that he had never experienced before. Now he's working with universities to teach them how to make music, how to revive a culture that he didn't even know it exists. But the main key to winning in business today is to develop your leadership skills. That is why I took the book of Leadership Gold by John Maxwell, and I'm breaking it down for you in simple video format so you can learn without spending time to read or to go ahead and spend money on books. Most people don't read any books, but if you've read them, now you have that vault inside of you that can help you show yourself and be better than anyone else that you come across in terms of your skills, soft skills. So there's few keys to winning that I'm going to share with you. Number one, Ask yourself, what is it that's inside of you? What is it that makes you move ahead? Number two, you have to have a dream. What is your dream and how you can accomplish it today through information, artificial intelligence? Again, times have changed, vocabularies have changed, new words are used. 90% of winning in any business is getting excited about something that you've discovered that no one else has come across. Nobody follows a dull, dead gum horse beat or someone who's a complainer about everything in life. So I call up my village people, my home people from childhood, and I say, how are things? And they started telling me everything is wonderful. He says to me, Ahmad from my childhood friend, he says, Sheikh, even if I started to complain about everything, it wouldn't change the situation. So thank God we have an incredible opportunity, because our parents, our forefathers didn't have the chances that we do. But thank you for sharing all this information that is helping me create a thought process that helps me to stay positive throughout the day. So besides having what's inside of you, discovering what's inside of you, having a dream, you also need to stand for something. See, if you don't stand for something, you will follow anything. You will go with every wave and every wind that comes your way. You need to have a clear objective for your life and what is it that you want to achieve. Most people believe that they can't find a company or a team of people that will tell them the truth the way it is. And I am lucky enough to have been searching and finding opportunities, leadership, and companies that will absolutely support you and tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. It is the facts that are today relevant to your life and to your mission and to your dreams than any other times. You can be good and you can be tough at the same time. I don't mind being ridiculed. I don't mind being a subject of criticism, because I know the mission, I know where I am going. And you can be good, you can coach people in a tough manner, just like you're doing with your children. Winning in business, just like winning in a relationship, in a marriage, or in raising children, requires a commitment, requires a direction for those of you who are willing to learn. Just a reminder that there will be many false starts on this journey. There will be people who come to you who lie, who cheat, who are trying to find a shortcut through everything that has been given to them. But the keys to winning from the beginning of time till now have stayed the same. It's your people skills, it's your ability to communicate, it is ability to develop your leadership skills as you go forward about your life and improve yourself every single day. So what do you have to do? You just have to do it. You just have to follow the clues, take time to learn, to grow and to develop your leadership skills. Some will complain that, oh, I don't get any support, I don't have any opportunities, or I have nobody to help me. Well, that has changed. Artificial intelligence has made it possible for anyone to pick up their cell phone and go through some information, to download it into their brain and to operate based on a mission that can help you achieve all that you ever desire in this lifetime. But you got to be tough. You got to have that mental toughness, and you have to do it. Oh, I don't get any support. Well, go do it. I don't have any uplines that help me out. Or you just got to do it. I don't have any leadership to follow. Well, you got to go find those leaders. You got to find those influencers who help you, who lead you, who teach you. Leadership, in words of John Maxwell, is knowing the way, going the way, and showing the way. We're lucky and blessed enough to have learned about leadership and about a company that will tell you exactly the way things are and how they will unfold into 2050. We have a vision for 2049 that was just explained in Thailand and in Singapore by the leaders of Aurum Foundation. My own company, the Camel Company of Canada, is now going global because of rise of leadership, because we've attracted the right people, because the right people like the message, the right people reach out to me. And so many of you have subscribed recently. I've just met you. You may not know me, but those who do know that I stand for something. I stand for teaching people how to better their lives. Whether you take criticism the right way or you get mad at it, it doesn't matter. It is three-letter word, health and wellness. First of all, if you're suffering from any pain or discomfort or cold or any distraction that is taken away from your mission, we have products that you can wear and that you can use that will make you feel better almost immediately. Number two is your organizational skills. What organization are you a part of? Are you trying to create an organization by yourself? Sometimes we are trying to do things on our own and we just keep on repeating the same mistakes over and over again until we come across people who know the way, who show the way, and who go the way. Number three, your health and wellness is the most important thing. Your organizational skills and communication skills are the number two. And number three, wealth creation. Over the next 10 to 20 years, there'll be more wealth created by people like you and I that has never been done in history. Why? Because artificial intelligence has improved life in all areas. Today, you don't need a doctor. All you need to do is research and find out all of the research throughout history for your condition, for your depression, for your anxiety, and follow the steps to improve yourself. There are 5 different major areas that artificial intelligence will improve for anyone. Number one, in health and wellness. You will be your own doctor. You will be your own professor. You will be your own man or woman if you just take this information and learn. And I'm not just saying to use ChatGPT or use any other software that will help you with artificial intelligence. There's much smarter systems out there that you don't know about, that we are revealing, that we're showing, and we're taking a group of people with us to use this new wave of information technology to help us grow, to help you grow. So if you're looking for an opportunity on how to improve your health and wellness, your organizational skills, and wealth creation, this is your chance. This is your calling. This video was premeditated to show you that you are the leader you're looking for. I was looking for leadership all my life, and I'm blessed to have so many leaders in my own family. Last week I called up my great uncle Sheikh Suleiman Gilany in Australia, and I said, Sheikh, how did you start out after 35 years? You were away from your people. You started out and now you're on TV and you're making speeches, you're enlightening people, and they come in scores of hundreds and thousands to see you. He says, my dear, I started at the door. The leadership starts with being humble, starting with the first steps. Sit at the door, listen, pay attention, ask questions, improve your leadership skills, improve your people skills. Your integrity matters, your manners matter, your work ethic matters, and all of these could be put to use to help you achieve your goals. And he showed me his mansion worth tens of millions of dollars in Sydney Harbour in Australia. And I say, wow, this is an example of a leadership that came from nowhere. Because my sheikh, one day when I was a teenager, was a refugee with absolutely nothing in his pocket. And he arrived in Tehran, and I had the pleasure of serving him for a few months to help him get back on track. And now it's paid off in multiples. If you're looking for an opportunity to perform the potential that God has given you, the opportunity is here. The time is now. You're with the right people. You're in the right channels, and you have the right person to guide you, because the people who have come before me have gone the way, has shown the way, and is leading me to the way that they have accomplished their goals and dreams. If you're stuck, it is time to reach out. It is time for you to reach out to say that I need a hand. How can you help me? Again, my favorite word is how. How will you overcome the challenges you're facing today? And there's solutions for all of those through artificial intelligence, whether you're trying to make your way to space or solve health and wellness challenges or just make enough money for you and your family to enjoy a comfortable life. It is time for you to act. I'm Arif Gilany, and I look forward to hearing from you. Your comments, your likes, your participation matters, and I notice everything. I watch it. I see who is subscribed, who's liking these videos, who is sharing these videos with those who need it, because humanity wants to connect. All you need to do is improve your communication skills to be able to connect with a variety of people from all cultures, from all backgrounds, from all over walks of life. That is the key to winning in business. Today, winning in business is for leaders. If you're a leader, I want to talk to you. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you.